Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 10.3 and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons here are from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit and focus on common category. Now we can find use volume key as option. When we pick it, we can decide between zoom, volume or shutter, which is now. So let me pick zoom now to show you how it works different, and let me try to use volume keys once again. As you can see, now I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.